Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something exciting and trendy, Kataifi chocolate balls. I do not know if this would be good, pero tilawan ko ng experimental. So, enjoy and watch as I make these chocolate balls. Okay, first, we will need some Kataifi. This is phyllo that I sliced thinly, dason gintustak ko. And then, tustahon taliwat because it is said that you have to put it in a pan and butter. And then, I have here some melted chocolate. And I have this, ano naman, pinetti, the pistachio, I don't know, not pistachio, hazelnuts spread. So, butang ko na siya karon dali lang gid ha. Kay I will go to the stove and then cook this. And then parang may butter. Dali lang. One moment. So here is our toasted kataifi. And Tani, you were here to smell mutamo. Because the butter that I am using is ambassador. So, mas namit siya. And then, next is I will pour in our chocolate. This is chocolate bar that I have melted. Dason, I will add some. I will add this one. Bo, tadi di dong tamis. Eh. Okay. Go Nutella. Hmm. Okay. Then I will toss and paano ni? Do ka basa? So I will put this in the refrigerator to harden a little bit. And once it hardens a little, I will form this into balls. Wala na siya, oh. Yan. So, what will I do now is I will put this in the refrigerator. In the freezer, particularly, I have prepared a scoop, ice cream scoop. And then I have here pan that has silicone mat. So, pero, tantawon ka lang anay. Ha? Dali lang. Okay, so here is the um, hardened kataifi. We'll form it into balls. Yan. And then, later, as soon as everything is formed, ay, hala, ning, 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 ning. So, i-freeze na lang siya liwat. Okay. So, dali lang lang tawon tabi ini. Okay. Hindi ka magsinublado kay Bo. Okay. Dali lang ha. Magalit lang ko. Okay. So, here are the chocolate filling that I have made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have made 17. So, later, I will come out with this marshmallow. Karon lang, dahil lang kita. I will put this back in the freezer. One moment. Okay, so this time, we will put our marshmallows into the pan. We'll just melt it with some butter. Amo na gid ang ambassador. And then some birch milk. Milk powder and some water. Teka. They are huge, right? Look at this. Jumbo, jumbo. I do not know if it cover all the 17 that we have made. Sige lang. Sige lang. Okay. Yay, look at this. Ito namin ang pangan. So, do we have to separate it? Anyway, simple mo na sila gyapon karon, no? Hey, cute, cute. And then, I will add some butter. Ang tungkol to lang anay guro ini. Tiga-tiga. Tiga-aman niya. Ay, limsil nila. They put, I'll just use half. Ay, agay, hindi no. Buka. Hindi lang. Okay. I'll just use half of this. And then, I will add. This is the full cream powdered milk. Birch Tree is the brand name. Karoon ko lang butang. No? So, dali lang. And then, I will also add some water later to soften everything. Okay, so dali lang kaya I will go to the fire and that is go into fire to melt. Dali lang. Okay. Our marshmallow has been melted. Our chocolate filling has been firm. And then let us try. Ta-da! Okay. Wow! Look at that! One. Kasi hindi wala kaiguaw. I do not weigh. Palagpat lang na iya, ha? Bear with me because this is palagpat only. Ta-da! And then, tubunan ka lang. What if, okay. Di, dali lang. Buson ko pa niya, dali lang gid. Di ko atugan. So here are our marshmallow coated Kataifi crunch. Next is I will roll it in our cocoa powder. Ito nakasobra kadako. No, pero damo man siguro nakita ko kung ginabaligya. Yan. Puson silbala. Ay na, ano silbana gali. Hey, look at that. Hindi ko sa mga dalasang tulo-tinidor. Ari mga ikamuton talang. And then, ay. Okay, one more. This mauti. And then I will roll out the barrel. I do not know if this is right. Hindi ko kabalo ha. Kung gusto rin obra ko. We have to cover it completely with cocoa powder. And then, there. So, amo pa ako dulobrahon, dali lang. Okay, dali lang. Look here. These are our Kataifi chocolate balls. Hamot, and then it is ano gali bugat, heavy, no? And then look at my nice server, given to me by Mom Doc Mayan. Thank you, good mom, ha? Okay, so here, kaunta everyone. Thanks for watching.